What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, we have a Bitcoin trade alert. A pattern is about to play out right now, guys. And I wanted to go over several altcoins we invested in within the last month, which are up for massive gains, guys. There is no time to waste. If you're not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. All right, guys, so basically over the last 2 weeks, we've had many patterns play out. Okay, we had an inverse head and shoulders, okay, right here, shoulder, head, shoulder, okay, and the point of resistance up here. Okay, I'll make that white for you, and then you measure that from the head to the point of resistance at the point of breakout. And guys, that's actually why I have this target up here, because that's the height of the target, and also coincidentally the height of this triangle here. So I'm planning for it to actually finish the breakout right there. And what's really nice is we have several patterns playing out for this target. So for instance, if we were to measure from even the top of this previous pattern, bottom of the wedge to the point of breakout, and we've easily already hit this target, guys. Okay, we've easily already hit this target. Okay, so we've had a lot of bullish patterns here, but we even had more patterns play out, and we've had a couple conflicting signals as well. So for instance, we had a head and shoulders here. Okay. And the support. Okay. And then measured from head to support. Assuming we would have broken out to the downside, like right there, the target would have probably hit down there. But obviously, guys, we broke to the upside, okay? And then we had a W form. Actually, had two W formations play out. One right here, and technically one right here. Okay, but this one was very small up here. And the resistance there. And I like to measure from the most volatile point, so up to the point of resistance. So for instance, right there, the point of breakout. And guys, that was also easily hit. And I could say the same for the W formation too. And if you notice right here, it actually already lined up with its previous point of resistance for the other pattern. So this was just a really nice layout going on, guys. And then we obviously had the ascending triangle, so I was talking about in my last video. And I don't even need to draw the other line, it's already formed. Look at that, okay? And then we measure from the back, okay? And then what's interesting, look at these targets, they're all lining up. Okay, that's what's really beautiful. Okay, guys, so we had a lot of bullish sentiment in the charts. Okay, these were just some easy reads, guys. And guys, so many of you are making excellent profits. This is just incredible for you guys. I couldn't be happier, guys. So many students, so many people just watching my channel making excellent gains, guys. Check the comments below. But we definitely have a pattern playing out right now that is very strong. And let me pull that up for you right here. Okay, guys. So we have, this is the same graph. Okay, this is BTC versus USD, but this is over on Phoenix. Okay, but we have a nice cup and handle playing out on the bigger time frame. Okay, so we go right through. There's the cup. There's the handle. Okay, guys? It's clear as day. Look at that. Okay? So we basically measure resistance right through. So for the neckline. Okay? And then we have the handle right here. It's very interesting. In the beginning, it kind of looked like a bull flag as well. So it really just depends on how you look at it here. So we're getting some more bullish signals here, because obviously the cup and handle is a bullish continuation pattern. Okay, and obviously, you know, this does look like a clear as day bull flag, measured from point of breakout up to the top. So we broke out from right there, and we're easily going to break this neckline, I believe. Okay, guys. So for instance, I'm actually long at 55.5 right now again. Okay, but if we break this neckline, I'm going to double down just to be transparent with you guys and go, you know, even more deep into this trade, okay? And then the target for the cup and handle is measured from the point of resistance down to the bottom of the bowl. Let's say we break out right here, We're gonna have to go to a bigger time frame to even look at this. All right, guys, with that zoomed out, you can see our target all the way up at $70-some thousand. Okay, so this is just a really big pattern that is basically about to happen, guys. So be looking for the breakout. If you're already long, and for instance, you've caught this cup and handle, or already riding longs on all of the other patterns that have played out, this is definitely one that is looking really good right now. Now, guys, what I'm looking for is, an hourly close above the neckline right here, okay? And when we get that close, that would be an excellent opportunity to go long at around, let's say get in a little earlier, but 57.2 would be the confirmation, especially if we get a close above that. Okay, so 57.2. And then if we're going to get a pullback, for instance, something we can look for, okay, is the EMAs getting a switch. Okay, so for instance, I actually have 3 EMAs up right now, the 7, the 20, and the 55. I like to use the 20 and the 55 for polar swing trades. And guys, basically, we are crossing to the upside right now. So I think we are going to be pumping and punching through this momentarily, guys. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for in the Bitcoin price action right now. And as you can see, guys, we're at 56.9 already. This is looking like a really good trade. It's about to break out right now. And guys, let's talk about a few other altcoins. Let's bring them up right here. So guys, one coin I really want to talk about was Mana. And guys, I was talking about getting in right here at the support, way down here. And guys, basically anyone who took that trade is sitting up in some massive, massive profits right now, guys. Even if you're just holding this whole time, you're up 127%, guys. So congratulations to anyone who took the Mana buy. That is just incredible. You guys are up big time right now, okay? And what's going on in the short term? Well, we could be getting a bigger pattern playing out, maybe a cup and handle as well. Or we could just have, a wedge playing out here. Okay. Maybe a horizontal triangle. Okay, we have to play it as it goes, guys. So again, look for the breakouts, watch the EMAs. Use your indicators efficiently here, guys. The Bollinger Bands would be an excellent tool for this one. Another coin I wanted to talk about was Uniswap. This is definitely one that has been very profitable for me as well. I'm up about 60-some% on this one. This graph is all over the place, guys. I got in this one at $18, guys. So, geez, not even on the graph. We have to zoom way out. We got to scroll down even. Whew. Guys, I got in this one a long time ago. Okay, I was literally saying I was going to buy in these supports. Guys, I'm really glad I did. I mean, this coin has just been pumping. And here's my first buy way back here at $7. So just incredible buys, guys. I put this all up for you guys on YouTube to see. We're sitting up hundreds of percents right now, guys. It doesn't get any better than that. I hope you guys understand what I'm putting out there for you. I don't tell you guys unless I'm doing it myself, okay? Understand that. And then we have storage. Okay, let me pull up storage. Okay, another coin with some massive profits. Let's tighten this up a little bit just to see it a little better. And guys, you can see my buy right down here. Okay. And another, just biblical pump, guys. Incredible times. Even if you're just holding it now, we're up 90%. If you sold at the peak, 153%. And guys, this coin is just in its infancy stage. It just got released on Gemini. This coin's going to be pumping way past $1 in the next few months. Just incredible times. Synthetics was definitely one we bought, and we're kind of still waiting for this one to play out a little better. For instance, we did get in all the way back here at $7, but we just got in again recently, up here at around $18. So we're sitting in a small profit right now, kind of waiting for this one to blossom a little bit, but sitting at a nice 16%. Okay, guys. And guys, let's talk a little bit about Ethereum. Everybody's very interested in Ethereum right now. We're obviously in this big wedge. We had an inverse head and shoulders, but guys, it looks like we're getting the same kind of play out that we just had on Bitcoin, getting a nice cup and handle. Okay, so let's see if that actually plays out. For instance, we kind of wedge back up, break through the neckline right here. Okay, and then we measure from point of resistance to the bottom of the cup. From potential point of breakout. And guys, we could easily see Ethereum punch all the way up to $2,500. I mean, this is just extremely bullish times. It's very exciting. And yes, these main coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum, are really leading the pack. And guys, that's why we heavily, focus on the analysis on these two coins for the main part, okay? And guys, one final coin I would like to go over before I close up and go over some news today would be Electroneum. So let me pull that up for you. All right, guys, Electroneum looking extremely healthy, guys. I couldn't be prouder of this call. In my last video, I was talking about this ascending triangle being formed. And guys, I've been scooping up more and more Electroneum. I've been practicing what I preach, to say the least, guys. And all of these targets have now been hit. Okay, so just epic times for this coin. And, it's really nice to see this finally getting some really stable graph reads. For instance, in the early stages, there's a lot more randomness, for instance, because it's, people are just scooping it up. There's weak hands. There's a lot of moving around. And there's still a lot, volatility moving around. And as the coin continues to expand and get bigger, you're going to start to see these graphs play out really nicely. So again, guys, we measured from the back of the ascending triangle to the point of the breakouts. This still has some room to the upside to go a little bit further. But guys, I'm seeing a lot of good health for Electroneum. And I think, there's so much room to the upside, guys. Just epic times in cryptocurrency. So that's what I think is going on. And what we just have to watch for is the EMAs crossing. Okay, especially the 20 and the 55 if we're looking for retracement. And basically, I'm still bullish as long as we hold above this orange box. But even short term, especially if we get a bounce off of this support. Okay, guys? All right, guys, I'm going to warp back in here and we can talk about a little bit of news. All right, guys, so we've all heard of Peter Schiff. And let's just cut to the chase here. His son moved 100% of his portfolio into Bitcoin. So Peter Schiff literally calling his son brainwashed at this point. So despite Peter Schiff's criticism of his son's decision to go 100% into Bitcoin, Schiff himself apparently played a big role in this decision. Apart from regularly tweeting about Bitcoin, Schiff was one who initiated the idea of Bitcoin's birthday gifts for his son on Twitter in 2020. Schiff subsequently insisted that his son was investing in Bitcoin against his advice. A vocal Bitcoin critic, Schiff claimed in 2019 that Bitcoin would never hit 50,000, following Bitcoin's rally up to 57,000 in February 2021. Schiff admitted that a move up to 100,000 can't be ruled out. Now, guys, we all know Peter Schiff is the gold bug, and let's be real here. It's definitely scary when a hardcore bear is saying things like this, guys. But let's be real here. The fundamentals behind Bitcoin are just biblical at this point. The institutional, companies getting involved, just the interest, every little thing is playing out very nicely, guys. I think we still have a lot of room to go in this bull cycle, and $100,000 is just going to look like a little hill if things continue to play out the way they have been, guys. It's just incredible, guys. It's just so exciting. And guys, I wanted to show you guys some comments just of all the people making excellent money from my channel or just from being a student, guys. These are epic times. We got Jeff Snyder here. I'm in, that breakout is in. Let's go. Long at 52,000 red pill. Let's go. You are in some excellent gains already, buddy. I can tell. I literally went long last vid because of your title. Bro, you are the best. Thank you so much. Up 60% of this message. Best gain I ever had. And guys, I actually continued this conversation a little bit. What about now? Now up 160% and climbing. I'm so happy, man. This is epic. Guys, I can't stress enough. This is exactly why I do this. And I bet you if I asked him the same question today, he'd be sitting up even bigger. So this is just extremely exciting. Here's another one. Dan Welsh, 51,900 long here. Bro, let's go. It could be a fake out, huh? But I think we're going up. Student Army. And guys, let's be real here. That's just a taste of what's really going on, guys. When you learn to discover your financial freedom, the sky is the limit. And guys, that's really what I'm offering right now. To become a student, guys, I am making you guys do the minimal of 5 hours now at this point. Let's just be real. It's impossible for you guys to become an expert trader in just a couple couple hours, okay? You got to really dedicate some time, and that's why I spread out your first 5 sessions over about a month, so that way I can give you homework and, you know, really make sure that you're obtaining the knowledge that I'm giving you guys, because it is just once in a lifetime opportunity right now to make money with cryptocurrency. And, you know, if you think about it, guys, it's the beginning of something amazing. Think back to credit cards. Think back to, you know, when, you know, fiat was created. All these things. So much is playing out nicely, guys. You want to learn everything you can about this world. And guys, becoming a student, I can't stress enough, we are making hand over fist money every single day. Once you come to Zion, which is my Discord channel, you will feel it immediately. You will see immediately all the success, all the people having a great time. Guys, it is the most fun making money and just doing it with your friends. Like, I can't stress enough, we're just having an epic time, guys. If you want to become a student, I still have several spots left at the moment. Jump in, guys, jump in. We'll get you booked in quick. Discover your financial freedom, guys. Remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. And with cryptocurrencies, I make it as simple as riding that wave. Guys, reach out to me today at BitcoinDeathStar. And that's all the time I have, guys. Be watching for that breakout on the cup and handle. And guys, if you already aren't long, it's looking like it's going to break out nicely. Okay, guys, just watch for a reversal in the EMAs. Okay? And guys, that's all the time I have for today. I am Crypto Matrix. I will catch you guys later.